What does the cross sign mean in Snapchat? So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So as you may have seen in the chats of yours, there are various signs like camera, favorites and cross in the right hand side of each chat. So here you can see there are no any cross sign in my chat, but if there is a cross sign in your chat, then it is because the person is not friend with you. Even though the person is not in your friend list, he or she has sent a snap to you. So that's why there is a cross option. So you can either tap on the cross sign and remove the person, or you can add the person. So for adding the person, you have to tap on the chat of the person and you will be able to see the add option in the right upper corner. So you have to tap on it and you will be friend with that person. So this is the meaning of the cross in Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.